Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common problem. As you can see, this caulk is starting to crack and pull away. You're going to run into this in your bathrooms and or kitchen. It's just a typical problem. Moisture can cause this, but what you don't want to do is try to caulk over this. You want to remove this caulk. And we're going to do that by just using a simple box cutter. Now, something that may help as well, I will use one of these, and it's just a straight razor blade, a glass scraper, so to speak. And it does help to get up underneath the caulk to raise it some so that it's just a little bit easier to get out. So you can kind of go around the bottom of this, because sometimes in this tile, this grout, it will grab that caulk. So that's going to be probably your worst area to get up. But you can kind of just slide this underneath and then take your box cutter and cut on top so that it'll cut the top. You've raised it from the bottom. Then take your needle nose pliers, and as you see, it comes up a lot easier. And you just continue to work it on out. And then once you get some of this removed, you kind of want to make sure you get all of this old caulk off. So take your glass scraper and just kind of scrape along the bottom so that it can remove this old caulk. So when you go back to lay your new caulk, it has a fresh, clean surface to adhere to. So then when you do that, you can cut it with your box cutter again and just grab it and pull it on out. Because you really want to take this glass scraper and you really want to clean the excess off. Because if you don't and you lay your caulk back down, it's just going to continue to lift and or crack, etc. And that's not what we want. Now that we have removed our caulk and scraped all of the excess caulk off, all we're going to do is just lay a bead of caulk back. Now, depending on your crack size, will depend on how much you need to put in these cracks. And if you are not familiar with how to caulk, check out my video, Caulking Baseboards, and I do show you how to do this. Don't forget, never touch caulk with dry hands and or fingers, so always wet your fingers when you're smoothing out your caulk. But that's about it. Thanks for tuning in to What the Fox, guys. Until next time, take care.